I have always had a bigger pleasure from repairing things, modding them, than just using. So when I accidentally bought my BMW M2 G87, I knew I need something cheaper to focus on, because modifying gasoline stuff is much beyond my budget. So I bought this RC car, and I thought it will be fun to drift around the house. It was fun, but very limited about the space, surface, and many others. I have also visited a local drift track. It was a big pleasure to meet guys and spend time with them. It's a great hobby. Then I've got an idea to put FPV camera with goggles and feel like I'm inside of the car. Take a look. I'm using Walksnail Avatar HD digital system. After drift, I tried crawling. Let's put an FPV on it and drive around the house.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go. Driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Someone is sweating over there. Okay, so now let's try something new. Take a look from the inside. Let's go out and have a fun. Look at the left, look at the right. Road is clear. Unfortunately, range of the vision on the ground was very limited. Now I'm switching the power up. Now let's try something bigger and try to go long range. FPV system test. Gimbal works okay. It may be fun. The beast is ready. Let's go. What about something big and very fast? This thing was very fast, incredibly fast. It looks like fast forward. And that's all. Crash. I had a 5 years break from drone hobby. Time to go back, but from safety reasons only with prop guards. Just for now. First takeoff with success. Let's go out. It's always hard at the beginning. Let's go once again. Damn it. At least nice view. Okay, so now I'm airborne and dog doesn't give a shit. She still doesn't care. Still nothing. Maybe now something. Nothing at all. Let's land. Nice view. Okay, I need something bigger. I bought this drone as used, so I have to adapt it to what I have. I need the donor of FPV system. Now, first test.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
That was really nice flying. Thank you for joining me in my journey into RC hobby. See you soon!